Hello everyone, welcome to Bengal Geeks. And today we're excited to share a useful tutorial on finding files and folder windows that's similar to Mac's Spotlight search. We know it can be hassle to search for files in folder and windows, but with this method you can find your files just typing the keywords and you can get it quickly and easily. And one other great thing about that, you can copy the files or you can copy the file path too, or just click the folder to or open the file. So grab your coffee and let's dive into the setup process. First, you need to download one file from the provided link. Don't worry if you're not familiar with these files, we will get you through. And I've downloaded the file, so I'm not going to download this again. I'm going to open up my downloaded folder and I'm going to extract the downloaded file. And I'm using a 7-zip to do the extraction. You can use the Windows extractor also. And once it's done, click the folder to open and install everything app. Click on OK and install as a regular application. And click finish to open the application. Now we're going to optimize these. Click tools, go to options and go to the exclude and then click add folder. We're going to add C drive because we don't want any file clutters and make the search more efficient. Click apply to save this and then you can close the application. Okay, next we're going to extract the PowerToys zip. And once it is done, copy the whole PowerToys folder. Go to your system drive and go to program files and paste it over there. Click continue to give it the permission. Once it is done, go to the PowerToys folder and click the PowerToys to run it. You can open the PowerToys by clicking the settings and check if it's running or not. Okay. So if you want, you can also use other modules to PowerToys and use them as well. But for this method, we recommend using only PowerToys run, this one. And you're all set. Now you can just press Alt and space to launch the shortcut and search for your files. And we hope that you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Peace.